How to fix Europa Universalis V crashing on Steam. First, right-click the game in your library, and then go to the General tab, and under Launch Options add the following command, -dx11. Go to Installed Files and then click on the Verify Integrity of Game Files button, and wait for it to finish checking. Once this is done, you can close Steam and then open up your browser, search for Redist, like this, click on the first link and then scroll down to the second table. Make sure to download and install these two versions, the 86 and the 64, both of them. And once you download and install them, sometimes you might find that it's already installed, which shows up like this. In this case, just click the repair button to repair the existing installation, and then open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, you will need to have NVIDIA app installed. Go to the drivers section, go to the drivers type and select Game Ready driver, and then check for updates, download and install the latest version always. You can also try to manually reinstall the latest version if you have it already installed. And then you can simply close out of this and restart your system. Now, once your system is restarted, before launching the game, you will need to run Steam as admin. Right-click and run as admin, and then you can launch the game. And this should fix the crashing problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.